All right, we're going to start by loosening up this bottom cable. I'm going to break this jam nut free. We're going to loosen this up as much as possible. With the interior cable loosened, should be able to push the room in on this bottom corner and it give us slack on this cable so we could disconnect it from the standoff bracket. Okay. With the cable disconnected, we can now remove the cable patch. Sometimes you can pull it slowly and all the mess will come off with it. Okay. Remove it from the cable and I'll follow up with a chisel and I'll try and scrape off as much of this foam tape that is left. With the majority of the foam tape gone, I'm going to drill the hole through the patch. The way I'm going to find the location is I'm going to hold the patch underneath the cable and that'll give me kind of a guideline left or right on where that hole needs to be in for the cable. Looks like we're about dead center. So I'm going to fold this patch in half and line up my drill bit. It's a 13/64. And then I'm going to slowly drill through the patch. Okay. From there, I'm going to use a pair of vice grips and just clamp on the ball end of the cable on the sleeve. And I'm going to hold the ball end right at the hole that we just drilled. I'm going to try and stretch this patch over that ball end. And once it pokes through, we're just going to slide it on in place. Okay. Before adhering this to the jam, I'm going to want to reconnect the cable. Just going to clamp on the end. Then I'm going to push the box in and slide this into position. I'm going to put the rubber grommet back on, keep the cable from hopping out of the slot. I'm going to clean the surface with like a rubbing alcohol or a mineral spirits to something that evaporates really quickly. Once that flash dries, I'm going to peel the 3M tape. And I'm going to slide this into position right next to the bulb seal track. I'm going to try and push it from the center going out.